Today, I'm excited to announce that we have our first ever Blue Tech by the Bay Marine and Maritime Career Exploration for high school students in the 5-county region of Whatcom, Skagit, San Juan, Island County, and Snohomish. And today they're learning about the marine trades with a number of activities that are hands-on. I believe we have 15 activities with 3 different pathways, with marine resources and science, vessel operations, and marine construction and engineering, as well as 14 employers that are connected to educational pathways, community resources, learning how they can get internships in this type of a trade, as well as securing employment and educational pathways.
Historically, this was coordinated more as a college fair where students would go up and they would have tables, but they didn't get to actually interact or learn a lot about the different career options. We were able to take our very successful WAVE model, which has already born our ECHO model, which we use for healthcare, WAVE being construction trades, and now we got to apply it in the maritime with the Blue Tech by the Bay event in partnership with the Port of Bellingham. It has been wonderful to try and be here, and we are loving having all the students here engaging and actually getting to learn hands-on about careers in the maritime sector.
I think this is a great opportunity for our youth. In Whatcom County, we have 6,400 marine trades opportunities. We really want to build those pipelines, and this is a way for them to get access to information and education that may not be a part of the typical curriculum. So it really gives them the opportunity to get some hands-on experience and get some interest in working in the field.